Hey y'all, welcome back to MathRescue. I'm Andre and I make content to take away the stress of learning math. In this video, we're going to convert an exponential equation with base e into a natural logarithm, and vice versa. Take a deep breath, we're going to go slow, break this down step by step, and make it feel super easy. Let's talk about it. Alright, so we have two types of problems here. One, we're going from exponential form to logarithmic, and the other, we're going from logarithmic to exponential. Let's do the first type. So I'm going to do this first one really slow. I'm going to kind of do an extra step that I normally wouldn't take. We are currently in exponential form for both of these problems, and I want to take it to logarithmic form. So I always like to start off with adjusting the base. So I can see that the base of this exponential here is e. So I start off with writing log base e. All I did was rewrite that e there. And then the next part, we want to go ahead and swap the location of these two. So the 9 ends up going on the left-hand side, and the x goes on the right-hand side. Just like that. So just to recap that, I start off with the base. The base of the exponential will remain being the base of the logarithm, and then I just swap the answer with the exponent. All right, let's go ahead and try that on... Oops, sorry. So this is the version of me breaking it down. Normally, you're never going to see log base e the way I've written it here, because whenever we have log base e, we want to take the shorter route of writing it, and we just change it to ln. All right, I'm not going to do this step on the rest of them. I'm just going to go ahead and go into ln. So same thing on this one. I will first rewrite the base. So this is log base e, but we make the e invisible. And then I'm going to go ahead and swap out these two here. So the argument of the logarithm becomes x, and the answer becomes 5. All right, let's go in the opposite direction. So this time I'm starting with a log base e, so I'm starting with natural log, and we want to write each of these in exponential form. So I know that this is invisible base e, so I'll start with writing the base. And then these have to switch sides. So it becomes e to the x power equals 7. All right, and last one here. So we'll start off with e to the 2.3026, and that's going to be equal to what used to be the argument of the logarithm. So it's equal to x. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I post videos regularly, and my goal is to make you feel super confident in math. See you in the next one.